Pasco County. Pasco County, Pasco County, Pasco County.
Swiffer Wet Jet Wood, proud member of the National Wood Floor Association. If you want your dental visit to feel like this, try new Crest Densify. Crest Densify actively rebuilds tooth density.
The civil authorities have issued a child abduction.
Why no attention to
FL, Coronado FL, Pasco FL, Ramos FL, Hillsborough FL, and Polk FL, beginning at 11:17 p.m. Saturday, July 30th and ending at 1:17 a.m. Sunday, July 31st. A Florida Amber Alert has been issued for Delilah Reader, a white female, 17 years old, 5 feet 8 inches tall, 185 pounds, red hair and blue eyes, last seen in the area of the 5500 block of Executive Drive in Newport Richey, Florida, who was last seen wearing a white sweatshirt, dark leggings, a black backpack, and a black purse. Delilah may be traveling in a silver Mercedes sedan. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child, please contact the Newport Richey Police Department at 727-841-4550 or 911 pound FLAMBER.
Jesus Christ. It's a good thing that I got that on my phone. It's a good thing WA relayed that beforehand. Now, let's see.